Hello, in this short lecture I will talk about gravity. Gravity is a phenomenon in which bodies with mass and energy are attracted to each other. According to general relativity, gravity is a result of the curvature of space-time. Actually, bodies with mass and or energy distort space and time. And according to Newton, gravity is an attractive force between masses. The force of gravity is proportional to the product of the masses of the bodies and divided by the square of the distance between them. Okay, thank you very much.